Okay, on 3 through like 6, they're all the same thing. As long as the dimensions are the same, you can perform these addition and subtraction operations. And it looks like that's going nicely on 3, 4. See how they're exactly the same? 5. 6 has an issue. So 6 will only be able to do part of this, and I'll talk about what part in a second. You can't do the a plus b. So it says write impossible. I'm not sure where you're going to write that. Maybe just in one of those boxes, and the subtraction also. All right, but we'll get to that in a minute. But I'm not going to do all of these because they're all very similar. All right, but on this particular one, it wants me to add a and b. Well, you do it by each individual cell. So a plus b would be -1 plus 1. So that'll be a 0. All right. And then a plus b, 2 plus 2 is 4. All right. You just do in the corresponding location. -1 plus 0. I'm sorry. -1 plus -1 is 0. And then -1 plus 8 is 7. All right. And then subtraction, same thing. -1 minus 1, -2. 2 minus 2, 0. See what's happening? 1 minus -1 is 2. And then -1 minus 8 is -9. And then for 5 times a, they call this a scalar multiplication. You just multiply each of them by 5. All right. And then D is a little different because it has you do a couple of scalar multiplications and then a subtraction. So let's get that out of the way so we can see. So on D, all right, it wants me to do 5a minus 4b. All right, so, well, I've got 5a right there. So 5a is -5, 10, 5, and -5. All right, and then it wants to subtract out 4 times b. All right, so 4 times each of those. And there we go. And then your final answer, which has the same dimensions, and that's the thing, it's got to have the same dimensions when you're doing addition and subtraction. -5 minus 4, 10 minus 8, 5 minus -4, and -5 minus 32. And there we go. All right, now, so here's what I was saying on number 4. Same dimensions, you'll be able to do all of them. Number 5, same dimensions also. They're each 2 by 5s, so that'll be okay. Number 6, we can't do the addition because they're not the same, and can't do the subtraction. We can do a scalar multiplication. They call that a scalar multiplication. We can multiply by 3. And then we can't do this because we're not able to subtract them after we've multiplied them by 3 and 4. So that'll be impossible, impossible. You can do this one, impossible. All right, and then number 7, you're just adding straight across. Number 8, you're distributing and then subtracting. I mean, this is just, I don't think we need to have examples on all these. Yeah, 10's the same thing. Two of these plus 2 of these, all right? 11's different. I'll do that one.